technology depending on the objective and usage. For example, the law of motion is itself a science, but it becomes technology when being utilized to make and operate machinery. Technology is tightly associated with the man-made world. Human activities have changed the world's appearance and the way people live. These are the direct result of technologies, although it can also say the people applied science to achieve all these. By intuition, science is a deeper and basic level of knowledge, while technology is more associated with direct applications. Science tends to be fundamental while technology tends to be detailed, but texts play an equally central role in their formations. Nowadays, information spreads instantly, products are transported speedily, people increasingly lived in environments surrounded by machine-manufactured products and constructions. It became easier for people to achieve their goals by employing existing knowledge and tools. On the other hand, many curiosities can be answered by entering questions into search engines. In seconds, it seems everyone possesses enough knowledge. All one needs is to take action. As a result, more people became action-oriented. The term technology is becoming more popular than the term science. 3. The text-based definition of technology. Regarding the essential nature of and differences between science and technology, now we provide a new definition of technology as the scientific texts that guide human activity. This definition contains 2 points. First, technology is scientific texts. Second, these texts are employed as guidance. Our definition doesn't attempt to invalidate current definitions. Instead, we view from a different angle, focusing on a deeper level. Situating on the text-centered model of the world, usability of technology. Usually, human activities are purpose-oriented. Hence, technology usually has practical applications, but the extent of application varies depending on specific technologies. Also, a technology useful on one occasion or for some people might not be useful on another occasion or for other people. The activities might be beneficial or bad for society. Possible extension of the definition. Animals and machines might employ technology in the future and probably currently, such as AI. In those cases, scientific texts exert their effect not directly via human activities, but via animals or machines. Their use of technology is imitations of human intelligence, without essential differences. The definition could be expanded to all human and non-human activities that are guided by scientific texts, unifying the non-textual technology with textual technology. People might argue illiterate societies and even animals possess some form of technology, although not so advanced as the modern form. Without going into deep confusion with endless, some are ambiguous examples, we focus on principles. Sequentiality, clarity, and representation of reality are the 3 defining features of science. Modern, true-sense technology also possesses these features. In essence, the technologies in illiterate societies also came from the sequential minds with scientific properties in primitive form, which manipulate non-text instead of text. In a less efficient, effective manner, scientific texts truly demonstrate those properties, facilitate visual processing, and make progress in the capability of human minds. 4. A text-centered model of science and technology. We can now propose a text-centered model of science and technology that starts from investigative observations, which derive scientific, technological text, which in turn lead to actions through proper application. That is to say, science and technology are both integrated into the texts. If the purpose is in the non-text-to-text direction, focusing on deriving theories, these texts are more about science. If the purpose is in the text-to-non-text direction, focusing on taking action, these texts are more about technology. The actions change the environment, which becomes a new subject of observation, leading to the derivation of new scientific, technological texts. In this way, scientific and technological activities form endless iterations, surrounding text in the center. 5. Conclusion. By this new definition, the nature of technology is made known. The relation between science and technology is defined and integrated into the texts. The complexity of understanding technology is reduced. A new basis is provided for future discussion of our technological world. By defining technology in terms of text, the scientific strengths of various writing systems will also determine their technological strengths. Article source. This article is the property of Ezine article.